Welcome. In front of me is a INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. Started, we're gonna hold our power button, and from the boot options we're gonna select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and the volume up at the same time, and you will let go of the power button the moment you see INFINIX logo. Next, once you see the XOS with no command, start holding power button and then press volume up, and this will redirect you to the recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons, you want to select either reboot to bootloader or enter Fastboot mode. Both of them do the same thing, which is enter Fastboot mode. I'm going to start off with the dedicated Fastboot mode. So once it's selected, press power button to confirm it. And this takes you to the dedicated Fastboot mode. And in here, just like before, you can use volume buttons to navigate and power button to confirm whatever is selected. And in here we have a couple options like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, enter recovery mode, which will bring us back to the previous page. Then we have enter or reboot to bootloader, which again is a Fastboot mode, and we have power off. So I'm gonna now select a reboot to bootloader and confirm it just so I can showcase that this is also a Fastboot mode. And you can see, there it is. Now in this mode, to leave this one specifically, you just need to hold the power button till the screen turns off. There we go. And as you can see, the device will boot up on its own. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.